Hello and welcome back to our course on how to make particles and particle effects. In our explosion particle, we made sub-emitter last time. So if you want your sub-emitter to look much better, you would need to change your start color and let it go to like dark gray. So as you can see right now, it looks much better. And if you want to make it more realistic, you're going to select this radius and shape, and you're gonna select 20, so it could have any limitations which would prevent it from looking unrealistic, etc. And next thing you can do to make this more beautiful or realistic, you can increase number of maximum particles from 20 to 50 maybe, so you can see how many particles it has. But take this note that more particles you implement, it is harder for your computer to process them. So we're gonna leave it to 50 right now because we won't save any memory. And next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make ignition. We're gonna make sparks from our chunks. So we're gonna make a particle system and we will name it, for example, sparks. Yeah. So we have our basic Unity particle model here implemented. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to properties of it here, inspector tab, and we're gonna go to renderer. We're going to go from render mode to stretched billboard. And next thing we're going to do, we're going to implement new material here. Let's say spark. Yeah, of course it's going to be spark. And as you can see, we have sparks here. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to shape, and we're going to switch shape from cone to sphere because we want it to be a spiral. And you can see how it goes right now. You can see the main idea behind these sparks. So we're going to close this tab, and next thing we're going to do, we need to make the burst. First thing we're going to do, we're going to rate over time set to 0, and we're going to set burst right here, clicking this plus here, and minimum from 180. Oh, it's too much. 180 to, let's say, 220. And this would look much more better. But the thing right here, we have a firework, as you can see, but we need to implement sparks by increasing start speed. So we're going to set speed between two constants. For example, let's go from 120 to 500. Let's say go much faster, it would look much more natural to ignition sparks. And we would switch duration to 2 and reduce lifetime to 2. And we're going to switch size, because not every ignition spark is going to be the same size. It would look more realistic if we set it from, let's say, 1.4 to 2. And the last thing that we're going to add, we're going to reduce the number of particles, because we don't want to have much particles, as it would take a lot for computer to process it. So we're going to reduce it to 100. And right now you can see the main idea behind this sparks. So thank you for watching and see you in next lecture.